guys, it's me Tony and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna show you my things that I bought from Miniso. So meron ako nabili from Miniso which is medyo interesting shop for me. And also, by the way guys, before ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko sa Miniso, meron din ako nabili sa Saveco. Actually, pagkain to, mag-haul lang tayo for today guys. And ang nakakatuwa pa is, the good thing is, mas mura yung mga imported goods sa kanila compare yung mga local brands na nabibili dito sa Kuwait. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung binili ko from Saveco. At ito naman yung binili ko from Miniso, Japan. Yeah. Dito lang yan sa likod ng Pinkberry. Malapit lang siya sa amin. Kasi dito ako nag-duty sa may face fair. Actually, guys, I'm here in my work and I'm on my break. I have only 30 minutes break. Kaya medyo mabilis ako magsalita. So, ngayon, simulan na natin, guys. So, the first thing that I bought from Saveco, nakita natin to, is, syempre, bumili ako ng Baloko breakfast biscuits. Ito siya. I bought this for only like around 750 fils or 500 fils. Something like that. And then, I also bought a pepero. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Ayan, pepero. Bumili ako ng dalawa. I just bought this for only 255 fils dyan sa Saveco. And also, I bought some noodles kasi magpapasta ako mamaya pag uwi ko. Mag-spaghetti ako. So, ayun lang yung nabili ko sa Saveco. So, yun yung mga all-time favorite ko na binibili. But, I find this more cheaper sa Saveco. That's why, bumili na rin ako. So, the next bag that I'm gonna show you is the one that I bought from Miniso. Which is kinda interesting kasi hindi naman ako dapat bibili doon. But the thing is, yung friend ko, si Leona, so bago kami pumasok, napadaan kami doon. And, tatlong items lang naman yung binili ko. Actually, dalawa. Yung isa pareho. So, ito yung bag. So, this is the first thing that I bought. So, 7 balls massager. Diba? It's kinda interesting kasi nga, yan, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan kasi this is new. And, ito siya guys. So, if you will cut it and, ito yung nabili ko. So, I bought this massager kasi mahilig ako magpamasahe and mahilig din ako magmasahe sa legs ko. So, I have already the battery operated. I have also the manual. Yung parang nabili ko yata sa H&M yun. But, meron din ako nabili. Ito nga, yan sa Miniso. Ipapasok mo yung kamay mo dito. Yan, like that. Kita ba? Ayan. Papasok mo yung daliri mo dito. And then, i-ano siya. Ayan. I-glide mo siya ng pag-ganon. As I've noticed, naro-roll yung ball dito. So, tinanong ko yung sales associate doon. And then, they told me that if you want, you can put like essential oils or lavender oil or efficacent kung familiar ka sa efficacent oil. Then, you can massage this way. Yeah. So, pwede siya sa likod, all over your body. But, I'm not sure if this is can be used in the face. Kasi yung iba, diba, parang nag-ano sila, yung minamassage din yung face nila. Siguro pwede, wag mo lang lalagyan ng masyadong oil or something. So, that's why I bought 2 pieces. See? So, pwede rin siguro siya sa paa. No? Pwede rin siya sa paa. So, if you want, you can use the other one with the oil and the other one is plain. You can use it in the face. But, guys, you know what? When I'm browsing the store area, mayroon ako doon nakita na parang silicone. Kaya lang, it costs, it costs 6KD, 750 or 6KD ruba. So, ayun siya, guys. Maganda yun pang, sa mukha, pang exfoliate. But, I think hindi siya ganun ka, anong tawag dito, what do you call this one? hindi siya practical bilhin. Unang-una, meron man namang mga nabibili na parang ano lang. Yeah, and she's here. She's the MOD today.
Oh my God.
Yan siya. So, eto guys, siya yung kasama ko nagpunta ng Miniso, and then she provoked me to buy things and stuff in Miniso. By the way guys, this one cost only how much? 750 fils. Yeah, so only 750 fils each. Tsaka medyo mabigat siya, meaning to say na talagang medyo quality siya. And the other one that I bought, wait, di pa ako tapos ito. Ayun nga, so pwede mo siyang gamitin all over your body, and then, yeah, it's up to you, whatever you wanted to do. So, at ang maganda pa, napaka, siya, pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan ka magpunta. Yun nga, yun. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. I'm gonna try it later when I reach home. Kasi excited na nga ako. Actually, gusto ko na nga siyang buksan, but then, nasa work pa ako, ayoko masira yung moment. So, mamaya, mag-insert na lang ako ng clip, and then, I'm gonna show you guys how am I gonna use it. So, the other one that I bought is a holographic mirror. Yeah, this one. This one costs also 750 fils, and I didn't open yet. Hey, Juna, come! So, I have another friend here. Yeah, shout out to Miss Juna. Yeah, see, she's one of the best, one of the best team at night. Together with Subada. Juna, say hi to the vlog. Yeah.
Hi.
So, yeah, customer. So, I just called them seeing the and then, yeah, actually my my break will gonna be finished very soon. I'm going back to work now. I just excited. That's why I showed to you kung ano yung mga binili ko. So, ito, this is a holographic mirror from Miniso, and yeah, and I love this. You know, I saw a lot of holographic bags, mirrors, makeup brushes in H&M, and not only in H&M, I saw also some of those stuff in Topshop, like that. So, my break, by the way, guys, I didn't eat any rice at all tonight kasi yesterday, I was so devastated kasi sobrang busog ko talaga. And I eat 2 times na rice. So, kumain lang ako ng Doritos. Although, hindi naman siya ganun ka-healthy, no? But I love Doritos cheese flavor and 1 Merinda. So, I just bought 1. Ito siya, guys. Bubuksan ko na siya para makita nyo. Ayan. So excited na ako makita siya. Wrap the product around the hand to start massaging. Yeah, maybe. And it should be. Aray, ang kalas. So guys, kapag bumili kayo ng ganito, pabubuksan nyo, make sure na patulog kayo para hindi masakit sa kamay. Pwede na to. Ay, putik. Lo! Natusok yung aking pepero. Ito pa lang binuksan nyo. Talas itong scissor na to. So, ito siya. You know. Oh, ha? Oh. Nice. So, ipapasok mo siya dito sa iyong mga daliri. Wow. So, Baba, what is that? Credit? Credit. So, we will gonna try to Baba. Baba, wait. Let's try ya. Oh. You. She yeah. No, I just tried though. See? Good. So, this is the example of the one that I bought from Miniso. Yala, very nice, no? Sinwala doon sa iyo. Yeah, does it work? Don't say So, ayun lang guys. So, kalas. Go to work. Ayun. May tinda silang Sunday. So, yun lang guys. So, okay, back to the future. So, ito siya. Tinry ko. Maganda nga siya kapag nilagyan mo ng essential oil. Diba? I think this is good if you have varicose veins kasi talagang maano niya yung ayan o. And malambot siya, ha? Oh, see? Pwede siya sa legs. Diba? So, ayun lang guys. My finish, my break is already done. So, I'm going back to work and if you want to see more of those stuff like this, you can visit, Miniso Kuwait here in Avenues in phase 4 at the back of Boschon, but you have to go down kasi merong escalator and then you have to go down and check. It's beside of Saveco at saka madami kang mabibiling mga stuff doon. So ayun lang guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do the like and share and subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye!